explore. There's apparently a train that only takes 24 minutes to get to the city. And right now I'm looking for baggage storage. Customs was so quick, so far so good. So storing my bag was a little bit of a nightmare because it was sort of in two pieces because I'm bringing so much more stuff home and they made me shove it all into one piece, otherwise they're going to charge me for two pieces, which would have been a lot. So I shoved it all in one bag. I checked it in, I got some cash out of the ATM, and now I'm ready to go. 4 hours I have before I have to pick my bag up again and go to my gate. So finding this train was a little tricky, but it's in the same terminal as the baggage storage, so it shouldn't be that hard to find. Just make sure you don't go to the buses by accident like I do. And it's really great. They have USB charging ports, which is super useful, and everything is pretty clear once you get to the right area. And you can pay for the ticket with your credit card, which is great, even though I took out about $50 worth of cash just in case. American, you don't need a visa to get into Hong Kong, so it's relatively easy to get out of the airport and explore if you have something greater than a 4-hour layover. My layover is about 6 hours, and I'm planning to get to the airport 2 hours before my flight leaves, so I only have about 3 hours to explore the city with a half-hour train ride back and forth. It's sunny but cool, and I'm just headed towards the piers because I don't have a plan and I'm just seeing what there is. Hong Kong observation wheel just to see what the prices were like, and it turns out it's free, which is pretty amazing. The normal price to ride this carousel is 20 Hong Kong dollars, which is not that expensive. It's like $3 or $4 US, but it ended up being completely free to ride, which is so amazing because I got these really great views of this harbor area. I put only the slightest bit of sunscreen on, and I probably should have put a lot more because now I'm trying to walk to Victoria Harbour, which I'm not really sure how far away it is because the distance was in meters on the sign, but I think it said like 55 meters. That doesn't sound so bad. There are a lot of people fishing along this harbor. I wonder if the fish are any good. Time before I absolutely have to head back to the airport, and I'm in the IFC mall and I'm gonna look for something Hong Kongian to eat. I ended up going to this little market and getting this lunchbox with all sorts of stuff in it. It has like chicken and like fish and fish ball looking things, and I got a sweet too.